people of the internet. Today it is Jade Designs back again with a whole nother video, and today I thought we would do a little something besides art. Today we are going to be doing this little squishy soap thingy. I got it for about $6 from Walmart with tax. $6 and ish. I'll put the price right here. And it was very cheap, so I don't expect it to be amazing or anything. Yeah, here it is. It's got really cute packaging. So let's go ahead and open it up, and yeah. So let's just peel her on open. That didn't work at all. Whatever. Just peel it. You guys can't see my little table down here, but I have like a little container. So this right here is a squishy soap, and as you can see, I tried to open it, but it didn't open very well. But I'm sitting in a really uncomfortable position right now, so I'll probably switch camera modes here in a second after I show you guys this. But alright, it comes in a resealable bag. It smells absolutely putrid in there, like chemically factory smells thing. This is our jelly soap mold. Very cute, very pretty. I like this blue color. It's speaking to me. Alright. Now, I'm assuming this is the instructions sheet. Here is our bottle of liquid soap, which kind of looks like baby oil. Let's see, I'm sorry you're not getting to see my face, my beautiful face. Let's just go ahead and pull the rest out. Let's see, the last thing here looks like our sweet rice flour. So, yes, it is a soft pastel yellow color, and it's actually kind of a cute color. But, yeah, here's our rice flour. So, this kit doesn't come with a bunch of stuff, but it was only $5, really. So, it came with this, and then this temporary tattoo. And, would you guys like to see me and maybe one of my friends do a Japanese candy kit marathon together? Maybe like 6 or 10 kits all in one video, or maybe 5 to 6. If it's a little too long, would you guys like to see that? Because I have been dying to do one of those videos like the Helicopter does with her candy kits, to maybe do it with one of my redneck friends or something like that, see how he reacts to them. I think that would be a lot of fun. But yeah, let me guys know if you would like to see that. Alright, so here's our instruction sheet and our materials. Now let's see. Cover your work with some newspaper or scrap paper. I covered it with this Christmas mat because I don't really have any scrap newspaper right now because I used it all. So I'm using this Christmas mat that's really old. Make sure to wear an apron or old clothing to avoid every stains. I just now changed into an old t-shirt. Have an adult take over once the soap has been molded. I am actually an adult now, 18. Woo woo. So it says to grab your bag of colorful rice flour and pour it into a bowl of at least 8 ounces in size. I rinsed out this bucket that I was keeping some art supplies in. Let me like wipe it off. I grabbed this bucket because I don't have a bowl that I want to get rice flour in. It is a Hello Kitty bucket. Yes, I know it's very gorgeous and adorable. I love Sanrio. But yes, here it is. Now let's see. It says pour it in. So I'm going to grab it. It actually feels really nice under my fingertips. Let me shake it a little bit so I can get all the flour down. Actually, no, I can't because it's super packed on there. So rip it open. It's going to be a mess. Oh my gosh. Pour it all in. Go. I wish I had a second camera so I could record my face while I'm doing this, but I guess that'll have to come in time. So I'm thinking about when I get my first 150 subscribers or so, of doing a giveaway, like of a custom piece of art. Would you guys like that? I can draw decently, somewhat. So if you guys would like that, let me know by leaving a like. Or you can just comment down below and say, hey, that's an amazing idea. Okay, all the rice flour bowl. I should have grabbed like a toothpick or something to share this with. It says pour the full amount of liquid soap into the same bowl. Yes, I feel like nerdy crafter right now, and it's, let me grab this. Can't get it off. Dear God, I hate these. Okay, one second. I don't know why they don't give you a pull tab when you have these. Okay, I'm just gonna poke a hole in it. Ew, I hate the feeling of soap like that. Alright, let's just pour it all in. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to take the rest of the seal off. Soap all over my fingies. Rub that into my shirt, whatever. I stubbed my toe 3 times while making this video, so I hope you guys enjoy it. You better, or else I'll cry. Hashtag Jade's toe. Remember it in the kid chat, because like it's dead. I've already broken one of my pinky toes before. So let's see. So the thing, I was reading the instructions, and the thing I thought that was a tattoo earlier is actually a transfer design. You stick it onto the soap. I should have known they wouldn't give us a freebie. But you stick it onto the soap later on, so yeah, that's a fun fact. So let's stir this. It says to stir it until the rice flour and soap, to mix it for a minute until you see the mix turn to crumbles. So pray that it doesn't take too long because I have no patience. I'm trying to get the powder on the bottom for anyone that's wondering what I'm doing. I think that's a crumbly enough mix. I even spilled some out here on the table. So let's see. Now that your mixture has turned to crumbles, knead the mixture with your hands. Keep kneading until it feels like pizza dough. I should have known this was going to get very messy. Okay, I'm going to take these off the table and put them away somewhere. Alright, so we just scrape this off. It looks like the middle of an egg. Alright, I'm going to knead this little bit. Ew, okay, it's really a lot more sticky. I don't think I mixed it all the way, or it's just that crappy. Did I not mix it for long enough? Oh, this is horrible. Maybe I just need to grab like more of it. This is disgusting, guys. Going in for the full grab. scrub. This is horrible. I hate this. Okay, yeah, this was not a good idea. Was I supposed to add water or something? Okay, this isn't working. Fail, fail. Okay. Okay, everybody, so here's what happened. After I had finally gotten the crumbles to quit being crumbly, I guess I just didn't mix it enough. It started to firm together like pizza dough, kind of like Play-Doh, like that consistency, or cloud dough with slime. I don't know what exactly happened. I guess I just didn't mix it enough, but I actually lost the footage for this, and I'm sorry. I apologize. But yeah, just know it turned out okay. Alright, so after you get your pizza dough consistency, it told me to roll it out kind of like a sugar cookie sheet and cut out the little planet shape. It told me they're supposed to only be like a half an inch thick to an inch thick, but when I rolled out the entire thing, it made one really big fat one because they only gave you one transfer sheet, so I assume you're only really supposed to make one. Alright, so I didn't actually know that you had to do this in this kit until I read later on the instructions. So what you really need is some type of steamer or whatever to actually do this kit, but I didn't have one, so I just put a strainer over top of my pot and put my little jelly thingy in there and let it steam. I think it was for 30 minutes until it became like jelly-ish, and yeah. So if I would have known that I would need a steamer for this, I probably wouldn't have bought it because it was a massive hassle and it stuck to my little thing so bad and it was horrible. Alright, so the thing that I previously thought was a temporary tattoo actually turned out to be the little sticky label thingy that you stick on your soap to make it look like the planet thing, a transfer sticker, whatever you want to call it. But when I tried to put it on, and I promise you, I peeled off the plastic like you would a temporary tattoo. I peeled it off. But then when I tried to soak it and get it on there like you would a temporary tattoo and how I followed the directions, it to the paper thing, because there was a second layer of transparency or something and it would not come off. So now is the wash test. So when I went to wash my hands with this, it actually wasn't very sudsy. It was alright. It's kind of like washing my hands with a pancake, and it was kind of gross, like a very froggy textured pancake, which I actually didn't like that much. Yeah, it wasn't very sudsy. It was minimalistic and alright, I guess. But all in all, I still probably wouldn't recommend this kit. I obviously do not know proper soap care because this is what happened a couple of days later. So yes, I obviously do not know proper soap care. Maybe if I re-wet it, it won't feel like this because the wet part... Is that mold? Oh, that's disgusting. It's green. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but it's actually tinted green on the bottom. I don't know if that's like jellified mold or something. I don't know if you're supposed to keep these in the fridge or what, but like... Alright, so all in all, let's talk about the end product of this kit. The kit itself was only $5 and something, about around 6 with tax or 7. But I did not actually like this kit that much. And after a couple of days, the soap turned completely hard. It didn't stay jelly or anything. And no, it did not tell me to refrigerate it in the instructions or anything like that. And I think that you might have to keep jelly soap in a sealed container, but the instructions did not tell me that. So I didn't do it because I'm not going to do it if the instructions didn't tell me to do it, right? Right. Sure, the kit was only almost $6, yada yada yada, whatever. But the fact of the matter is, you did have to boil steam this kit, and they didn't advertise that on the bag outside, or else I probably would not have bought it, because who has a double boiler at home, or whatever it's called all the time? I literally had to just makeshift to my own. You are making your own soap, that's true, but in all honesty, I just wouldn't have bought the kit in the first place if I would have known that you had to steam it. And the product of the soap itself wasn't actually very good, which then again, it was only $6, so did it keep me busy for like a little bit? Yeah. Was it a pain in the butt to do? Yeah. It wasn't very fun. It was fun cutting out, like spreading the little soap sheet before it boiled, like a cookie sheet, and cutting it out. But boiling it and stuff and having to deal with the sticky mess of peeling it off my spider thing that I used to boil it was not fun. So would I recommend this kit? Probably not, unless you do have a boiler or whatever at home, or you're prepared for anything and want to give your kids this and that. But the tattoo transfer sheet, or whatever you want to call it, didn't even work. And yes, I peeled off layers of plastic, but I didn't expect there to be a like second or third layer of plastic into the first one. So yeah, that's about all I have for today. So if you guys would be so kind as to leave a like, subscribe, and check out my other videos, I would really love that. And if you'd like to support me, check out the links down below, because I'm linking a shop here soon, and I am uploading all kinds of stuff. And I upload here every Friday and Saturday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. And I will see you guys next time.